On behalf of all Siemens Gamesa employees, I welcome you today. Whether you're visiting our nacelle assembly plant in Hutchinson, Kansas, our blade manufacturing facility in Fort Madison, Iowa, or our wind service training center in Orlando, Florida, we want to make sure you have a safe and positive experience. At Siemens Gamesa, we are committed to the protection of the health and safety of all our employees, customers, and visitors. Our goal is to complete our work safely, on time, with high quality and no environmental incidents. We have an equal commitment to protecting our confidential and proprietary information. To ensure a safe and pleasant visit, I want to share our expectations while you are on our site. You will be escorted by a Siemens Gamesa employee at all times. If you get separated from your Siemens Gamesa escort, please ask an employee to help you find them. You were provided a Siemens Gamesa visitor badge when you signed in. It's important that this badge is worn so it is visible at all times during your visit. In the unlikely event of an emergency, the information from this badge and your signature on our visitor log will help account for your whereabouts. If an evacuation alarm sounds or shelter-in-place instructions are given, please follow your host or other employees to the nearest designated assembly area and participate in roll call procedures. Where designated walkways indicate pedestrian traffic areas, remain within the parameters unless your escort specifically directs you otherwise. If no designated walkways exist, follow the lead of your escort at all times. Please don't access work areas without permission of the workers in the area. Siemens Gamesa requires personal protective equipment in production areas, commonly known as PPE. Your host will let you know exactly what PPE is required in the areas you visit, and that equipment will be provided to you. Keeping your safety in mind, please don't touch any surface or material without first asking your escort. While unlikely, some individuals may have a reaction. Surfaces that appear smooth may have edges that are sharp. Your escort can tell you if something is safe to touch. Eating and drinking may only take place in designated areas. Use of any tobacco products is prohibited in all Siemens Gamesa facilities. This includes the use of e-cigarettes, vaporizers, and chewing tobacco. Please ask your escort if there are designated smoking areas and adhere to the rules posted. Hazardous materials such as chemical products are not allowed on site without prior permission. Environmental sustainability is very important to Siemens Gamesa. All firearms, knives, and other weapons are prohibited. Please do not use any electronic devices while moving around our facility. Multitasking while moving increases your chance for a slip, trip, or fall. To protect our proprietary processes, no still or video photography is allowed without pre-approval from site management. Any confidential and proprietary information you may obtain while on site, whether in written, visual, or oral form, must be kept secret and not used or disclosed to others without Siemens Gamesa's expressed written permission. Please remember that your signature on the log verifies your agreement to follow these rules. A copy of these rules is available upon request. Before leaving the facility, be sure to sign out and return the visitor badge. Again, welcome to Siemens Gamesa Renewable Energy. If you have any questions about what you've just heard, your host will be happy to answer them. We hope you enjoy your visit and stay safe.